Okay.
Ciao!
We are Carmen and Gabriele. We represent the Italian group in this exchange. I come from Bologna, which is in the north part of Italy. Bologna is very famous for university, where I go, because it's the oldest one in Europe. My part, where I come from, is in the north, and it's near Milan, which is famous for fashion and design, and it's also near our organization site, which is Brescia.
About Brescia, it's a famous city known because it's next to Milan. Milan also is one of the most famous cities in Italy because of fashion, like economy, business and international environment. So I would like to talk and introduce myself. As I said, I'm Gabriele and I'm from Sicily. It's a vibrant island in the south of Italy, and it's really interesting because it's an island full of culture, and we can find there a lot of UNESCO sites, and one of the most important is the Etna, the volcano Etna, considering it's the biggest volcano active in Europe. Yeah, apart from that, we both want to thank the Brescia Youth Organization for giving us the opportunity to be here, and besides our different, we are all one thing, sharing all this knowledge. So thank you, and Viva l'Italia!
Viva l'Italia!
Ciao!
Imagine a place where ideas become opportunities. That's Academy of Entrepreneurship. We empower young people, support social entrepreneurship, and strengthen digital skills through training, mentoring, and European collaboration. Our mission is to spark innovation, build sustainable future, and help every vision grow into real impact. So Greece is a real special region in Europe. We have approximately 6,000 islands, one of which is Psara, known as the Heroic Island, and Hydra, which is a car-free island. Our main characteristic in Greece is that we have a great agriculture. We produce a lot of olive oil due to our olive oil trees. So, what are you waiting for? Come and visit us.
My name is Danai. I was born and raised in Athens, Greece. However, I would like to talk about my village of origin, which is called Vitina. It is located in an area called Arcadia, which is in Peloponnese, southern Greece. Some details about the landscapes. So Vitina is located on the mountain, a height of more or less 1 kilometer, I think. It is full of fir trees, full of forests, and there are a lot of beautiful rivers nearby. It has a lot of animals and plants, different kinds of plants, I mean. So Arcadia, the place where Vitina is placed, was and remains one of the poorest places in Greece. Why? We don't have a lot of workforce because young people go away. Since the old times, this place could not produce anything because the soil, you know, it's rocks. We cannot really grow crops. So people had to be really smart in order to survive. This is interesting because if you asked what does the place produce, they answered scientists. It's not a famous tourist attraction from people who come from abroad. You know, usually Greece is famous for its islands. But I think that if you like the mountains and you would like to try to see a mountain landscape in Greece instead of the sea, it's a good option.
Hello, I'm Ivan, I'm from Spain. I came with Higher Life, that is an organization that we do a lot of local activities as well, and also we do Erasmus projects outside, and now we're here in Poland. Also about our region, we are from Granada, that is in the south of Spain, and there you can find a lot of different things and places to go. You can go to the mountains that we have Sierra Nevada, or maybe you can go to the seaside that we have Almuñécar and a lot of small towns that are really comfortable to be there. But also in the center of the city, in Granada, you can find a lot of places to visit, like Alhambra, for example, that it's an old castle, let's say. And also you can eat really cheap in Granada because we have tapas that is only in Granada, in our city. It's basically one drink, you pay one drink and then you get food. So a lot of people go outside to drink and have food like really cheap, and they can go home with the stomach full. And yeah, we are a region with a lot of things to do in there, and we are really glad to represent it.
So, hello, I'm Julia. This is Dominika.
We are from Poland, and Julia is from this region. It's Zachodniopomorskie, and I'm from another region, but I live here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Thanks to the NGO that funded that project, it's very nice.
I think our region is beautiful and nice. We are living near to Germany, and we have a Baltic Sea here, and there is a beautiful beach. Our main city is Szczecin, and I think it's a beautiful city. There is a lot of castles and old buildings.
I would recommend this place for a vacation or just for a quick trip. There's also a national park here, so the place is amazing to visit and just breathe in the fresh air and spend time on the beaches.
Hi, my name is Adel and I'm from Czech Republic.
And my name is Andrzej and I'm also from Czech Republic, and we are here with NGO called Tmelník, and we are supposed to introduce you to Ústecký kraj, which is also in Czech Republic. And this region is quite special because it offers a view into cohabitation of two ethnic groups, and it's quite special, but mostly it's talked about in a negative sense because it's mostly viewed as only mining colony where only coal is mined and nothing else happens there. But
We also have beautiful nature, beautiful mountains and big lakes. Because we don't have sea, so we have big lakes.
also the lakes are quite special because they aren't natural, but they are actually mines that are flooded. But to make them more beautiful to view, to look at them, they are flooded, so people can swim in them and recreate near them and enjoy actual nature there.
Don't forget to visit Prague.